Hello and welcome, my name is Boris Dmitriev and I'm Geosteering and Well Placement Consultant. And today I'm excited to introduce you to the online course Easy Geosteering. This course is structured with clear and logical flow, guiding you step by step through the most important aspects of geosteering. It includes a series of short videos, each 5-7 minutes long, and during the course we will answer the key question: what's happening in this picture, Geosteering desktop? We start from the basics with necessary theory, then cover all modern geosteering tools and dive deeper into MLWD technologies. The standout feature of the course is the unique opportunity to enhance your practical skills through one-on-one private lessons. Together we will work in StarSteer to learn how to create and adjust the geosteering model using the stratigraphical method, borehole images, and two-layer inversion. And as a highlight of the practice is the drilling simulators that immerse you to realistic scenarios and allow you to feel like a true geosteering engineer. Who is this course for? It's ideal for any petroleum engineers involved in the drilling process of horizontal wells. The content is compressed and to the point, only what you need for a real job. We explain complex topics in simple language, making them easy to understand, even if you are new to the field. So join us, explore the videos, and expand your professional horizons.